upgrade kit for the SNT2405 service kit to stop the chute drift. Right now, pretty easy to move around. No real detent, and as it's moving, as you're going down the driveway, hitting anything, hitting vibrations or anything, it will slowly move towards center, and then you're throwing snow, probably where you don't want. So we'll see what this upgrade kit does. Here's the piece that's going to go on here, and came with a handy dandy driver. It's pretty easy so far. Then just says the piece goes on here in between the two gears. Click it over one side. There you go. There we go, snapped into place. Let's double check the instructions. Make sure the ears A are engaged. Driving. Alright, the other tabs, C snapped around. A, and then it's causing a detent here. Alright, so this is after the install of the detent for the chute, so that it won't drift, and it is considerably stronger, or more difficult to move. You gotta, and it might change with some usage, but man, that's it's pretty tight. But sucker's not gonna drift anymore, so that's good.